Today I'll be doing a question of optimization, which is an application of derivatives. I have chosen question number 39 from the textbook of section 4.4. Let's read the first part. An isosceles triangle has a base length 4 and two sides of length 2 root 2. Let P be a point on the perpendicular bisector of the base. Find the location P that minimizes the sum of the distances between P and the three vertices. So first comes the diagram. Let there be a triangle A, B, C. Let's drop a perpendicular bisector. Let's name this point D. We know base is of 4 units, which implies BD will be 2 since AD is the perpendicular bisector on the base. This will also be 2. Let this point be P anywhere on AD. We know the side AB is 2 root 2 and AC is 2 root 2 since it is an isosceles triangle. Let's see. Now we want to find S, which is sum of the point P from distance of point P from three vertices, which is AP plus of BP plus of PC. Now let PD assume PD equal to X. First we need to find AD using Pythagoras in triangle ABD. AB square will be equal to AD square plus of BD square, which implies AD square will be equal to AB square minus of BD square, which implies AD square will be equal to AB will be 8 minus of BD will be equal to 4, AD will be equal to 2. Okay, now we need to restrict our domain. X can be anywhere on AD including points A and D. Therefore, X will be restricted between 0 and 2. Now we need to find PB and PC, which we can see these two triangles, triangle BPD and triangle PDC are similar. Therefore, BP will be equal to PC. We can find BP using Pythagoras square. BP square will be equal to BD square plus of BD square plus of PD square. BP square will be equal to BD is 4 plus PD square will be equal to X square. BP will be equal to root of 4 plus X square, which will also be equal to PC. Putting all these values in S will be equal to AP. We know PD is X, therefore AP will be equal to 2 minus of X. This will be equal to 2 minus of X plus 2, 4 plus X square. Now we need to find X. S dash will be equal to derivative of a constant is 0. It will be minus 1 plus derivative of 2 root of this will be equal to 2 into 1 by 2 root of 4 plus x square into derivative of x square, which is 2x. We need to put this equal to 0, which implies we will have 2x will be equal to root of 4 plus x squares, squaring both sides. 4x square will be equal to 4 plus x square. X will be equal to 2 by root 3. This is a unique solution in the interval 0, 2. Now we need to check whether this is an absolute minima or an absolute maxima. So let's take the second derivative. This will be equal to 2 of x into, well, let's apply the product rule. This can be written as 4 of x square into minus 1 by 2. Now applying the product rule, this will be equal to 2 into 4 plus x square into minus 1 by 2 plus 2x derivative of this into minus 1 by 2 into 4 plus x square, this will be minus 3 by 2 into derivative of this. So we get 2 into 4 plus x square into minus 1 by 2 minus of 2x square into 4 plus x square into minus 3 by 2, putting x equal to 2 by root 3, we get, well, if we solve all this, we'll get this equal to 2 into 4 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 into 4 by 3 into 4 plus 4 by 3 minus 3 by 2. Let's solve this. This will be equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 root 3 by 4 minus, this will be 2 into 4 by 3 into, if we solve this, we'll get 3 root 3 by 4 into 4 into 4. Let's solve this. This is minus root 3 by 8 and this is root 3 by 2. Taking LCM, this will be equal to 8. 3 root 3, which is definitely greater than 0. Therefore, it is an absolute minimum. Let's come to the second part. Assume in part A that the height of the isosceles triangle is h greater than 0 and its base has length 4. Show that the location of P that gives a minimum solution is independent of h for h greater than or equal to 2 by 3. Let's see. It's a similar question. It's just we are not given the height. Let's draw a triangle, a perpendicular bisector. Let's take a point B. Let's name the triangle ABCD. Just minor changes. Now we know AD is equal to h units, which is given. BC is of 4 units, which implies BD is of 2 units and DC is of 2 units. We need to find BP. Assume PD is equal to x, which implies AP will be equal to h minus x units. And if we need to find BP and PC, BP square will be equal to PD square plus BD square. BP will be equal to root of, this will be equal to 4 plus x square. Similarly, PC will be equal to root of 4 plus x square. Now we need to find the sum of point distance of point P from 3 sides, which implies AP plus BP plus PC. S will be equal to AP is h minus x plus BP and PC, which is 2 into 4 plus x square. Using the first derivative, okay, before we do this, it is x. X can be anywhere on AD. It can have value of 0 and a maximum value of h. It can lie anywhere on A and D, including points A and D. Therefore, we need to restrict our domain, and here we go. Now, taking the first derivatives, since h is a constant, we will have minus 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 4 plus x square into 2x. We need to put this equal to 0. 2x will be equal to root of 4 plus x square. X will be equal to, we'll get 2 by root 3. We again get one critical point in 0 comma h as long as h is greater than or equal to 2 by root 3. And also the position of point P is independent of the h, which is the height of the altitude. Let's write it. The position of point P is independent of h, i.e. the height of perpendicular bisector. Let's see what else is left, and we just need to show that it is the minimum solution. Taking the second derivative, now it's the same. We have 2x into 4 plus x square into minus 1 by 2. Let's cheat a bit. So what was the second derivative here? It was 2 into 4 plus x square raised to the power minus 1 by 2 minus of 2x square 4 plus x square raised to the power of minus 3 by 2. Are we right? Yes. Now we just need to put x equal to 2 by root 3 and we'll get 3 by root 3 by 8, which is greater than 0. It is an absolute minima in the interval 0, h.